I will explain the first point, change in ratio. What is the meaning of change in ratio? Whenever a new partner comes into our partnership firm, ratio has been changed because the first time there were only two partners. Now a new partner comes into a partnership firm, then it means which profit is divided between the two partners, not it will be divided between the three partners. So that is the condition of change in ratio. Suppose that in the partner there were two partners A and B. There were two partners in the firm and the ratio was 1 and 1. It means equal partner. And the profit of the firm was 50,000 rupees, and it will be divided into A and B by the 1 upon 2. 1 oblique 1 is equal to 2. So 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. It will be 25,000 rupees of A and 25,000 rupees of B because A and B are equal partner. In that case, the ratio was 3:2. Okay. Now it will be divided the ratio with the profit between the 3:2. So 3 to 5, 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5. Okay. Now we will divide the amount. 3 upon 5 A is equal to 30,000 rupees and B 50,000 into 2 upon 5 is equal to 20,000 rupees. Okay. So that is the ratio when the two partners are partner in their firm A and B. And now Mr. Z comes into the partnership firm and their ratio was 1 upon 4. Okay. In this case, first we will be calculate the new ratio of the whole partners because Mr. Z taking 1 upon 4 from A and B. Okay. So in this case, whenever in the question nothing given about the ratio, only it is given कि Mr. Z comes in the partnership firm for 1/4 of share, 2/4 of share, 1/6 of share. Then we apply the rule calculation of new ratio. In the last video, I have explained about the ratio, how to calculate the ratio into the partnership firm when a new partner comes to the partnership firm. The ratio and the rules were there. Suppose that A and B partner in the firm and their ratio was 3:2. Z comes into the partner for 1 upon 4. Okay. Now nothing given about the question ki which percentage taken by Z from A and which percentage taken by Z from B. Nothing given about question. Only it is given ki Z comes into the partnership firm only 1/4 of share. In this case, we apply the formula of calculation of new profit sharing ratio. So the formula was 1 minus new partner ratio into old partner ratio. Okay. Now whenever in the question nothing given about the question is Z comes only 1 upon 4 ratio of profit, then how to calculate the new profit share ratio? So you will apply the formula 1 minus new partner ratio into old partner ratio. Okay. Now we calculate Mr. A. 1 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 minus 3 1 upon 3 into 4 into 3 upon 5 because 2 is equal to 5. So old ratio was 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Okay. It will be 3 3 are 9, 5 4 are 20, and then B 1 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4 into 2 upon 5, 6 upon 20. Okay. तो न्यू रेशियो इज 9 अपॉन 20, 6 अपॉन 20. डी रेशियो इज करेक्ट. क्या आपका रेशियो सही है? एग्जाम में कैसे पता करेंगे आप? यू विल कैन चेक. दैट इज द वेरिफिकेशन. A, B and C, they are partner. 9 upon 20, 6 upon 20 and 1 upon 4. Sorry, this is Z. Okay. That is 20 to 9, 6 5 9 6 15 5 upon 20 upon 20, it will be 1. That is the ratio, that is the correction. Your ratio is correct because you subtract the amount from 1 and this comes is also 1. कहते हैं LHS माइनस RHS, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से लेके चले थे और आपने इसको राइट हैंड साइड पे आके मिला दिया. क्लियर? ये कंडीशन क्या होती है आपकी, रेशियो की होती है. अब इसमें से आपको कैलकुलेट द सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो. हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो? सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो को कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे आप? देखिए, सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो फॉर्मूला है कि सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो इज इक्वल टू ओल्ड रेशियो माइनस न्यू रेशियो. ओके, अब सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आपका ओल्ड रेशियो कितना है 3/5, 2/5 और न्यू रेशियो क्या आपका है 9/20, 6/20 एंड 5/20. और सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो किससे कैलकुलेट किया जाएगा? ओनली ओल्ड पार्टनर्स का. ओके, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो? नाउ सी, Mr. ratio was 3/5 and new ratio was 9/20. Okay, Mr. B ratio was 2/5 and new ratio is 6/20. Is that clear? Now 20. So 5 4 20 or 4 3 are 12 minus 9 is equal to 3/20. 20 5 4 20 4 2 are 8 minus 6 is equal to 2/20. This is your sacrifice ratio 3/20 and 2/20. Your ratio is correct. इसकी भी आप वेरिफिकेशन कर लीजिए. देखिए आप कि आपकी जो चीज़ निकल के आती है वो करेक्ट है या नहीं है. एग्ज़ाम में आपको पता नहीं चलेगा आपको कैसे करना है, इसलिए आप टाइम टू टाइम क्वेश्चन को चेक करते रहिए कि आपका क्वेश्चन ठीक है या नहीं है. तो 3/20 प्लस 2/20 इज इक्वल टू 20. तो 3 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 5/20. 5 बन जाए 5, 5 4 20, 1/4 टैली कर रहा है आपका इससे कि 1/4 जेड का था, 1/4 ही जेड का आएगा. तो आप ए ने इनको इतना दिया और बी ने इनको इतना दिया. दिस इज द करेक्शन ऑफ द रेशियो, चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. वो आप देख लीजिए.